Hello, good afternoon. Today we are going to discussing about the topic gratuity. As we know, in income from salary, we have different forms of salary. The first one is gratuity. According to the Income Tax Act 1961, gratuity is according to section 10, subsection 10. Gratuity is a lump sum amount given by when you leave the job after minimum service of 5 years. So when you work in a particular firm, so after you leaving in that particular firm, after working 5 years, you will get a lump sum amount, huge amount. That particular amount is known as gratuity. And otherwise, it's a lump sum amount given by employer to the employee for his past services in that particular firm or organization is called gratuity. Then let me check the taxability or taxable procedure of gratuity. As we know, the gratuity received by a government employee, the whole amount is exempted. Whether the person, if a person who is working in a government institution and he is getting gratuity, the entire amount is exempted. The gratuity is given by the employee only at the time of three times. One is at the time of he is attaining the retirement age, or this is what is called a superannuation period. He may claim and he will get annuity may sometimes. Otherwise, he is retire or resign from a service. If a person who is retirement from a service or a person who is resigned from a particular firm after completing 5 years, he will get gratuity. If a person who died or being handicapped, any sort of because of any accident while working, he may get he may also get gratuity in that times also. So if it is received by government employee, the whole amount is exempted. If it is received by a private employee, what will be the procedure? Private employees can be divided into two for the gratuity in tax calculation. The first one is those employees who are coming under the Gratuity Act 1972. In that cases, we'll have to find three amounts and take the lowest as exempted, and the remaining will be taxable. The first one is 15 days salary for every completed years of service. Second one is actual gratuity received. Third one is the statutory limit specified by the income tax authority, that is 20 lakh. So now to find the first amount, 15 days salary for every completed years of service. For finding the 15 days salary for every completed years of service, 15 days salary equal to salary divided by 26 into 15. That when you take the complete years of service, you'll have to round off those months which is excess of 6 into 1 year. If that particular person who was 35 years and 7 months, you'll have to take 35 years as is completed years of service. And also the salary is the basic salary plus DA. DA should be taken whether it is times or not. This is the salary. And the basic salary, the salary is the period of just preceding the retirement month. At the time of retirement, what will be at the time of the month before his retirement, what will be his salary? That is his basic salary. And move to the second one. Those employees not coming under the Gratuity Act is the second division of private employees. In that cases, you compute three. You'll have to compute three amounts. One is half one salary for every completed year. Second one is actual gratuity received. This is already given in your question. The third one is statutory limit 10 lakh. The first, how to find the first amount? Half one salary for completed year service. You need to half one salary first. The salary divided by 2, you will get half one salary. And salary for this purpose is basic salary plus DA if it does terms of employment plus fixed percentage of commission. If you are not able to take the DA, if it is not in terms of employment, only terms of employment DA can be taken, and the basic salary is the salary of average salary of 10 months just preceding the retirement month. Retirement before the retirement, the, the average salary of 10 months average salary of before the retirement. And also you will not rounded the months into 1 year. If you have completed years, you will take complete year. 34 years and 9 months should not be taken as 35. It should be taken only as 34. And this is only about the calculation of gratuity, exemption of gratuity. And if you want to find the taxable gratuity, actual amount received minus exempted amount, you will get taxable gratuity. This is only about gratuity and the gratuity calculation in income tax. Thank you.